How to use quick replies on WhatsApp Business. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be taken to this page where you can view the chat list. Go to Settings at the bottom right corner. Then, tap on this option, Business Tools. Once you're in, select the option Quick Replies. Then, tap on this plus icon over here. Type a shortcut message first. Then, enter the real message over here. You can also attach a media with the message. Once you're done, tap on the Save button at the top right corner of your screen. Now, you have created a keyboard shortcut for your frequently sent messages. Now, just by typing the shortcut message, you can deliver the actual message, which will save more time and make it easier for a business to handle more customers. So, by following these steps, you can use quick replies on WhatsApp Business.